Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again to your online classes. Okay. Today we will revise your first chapter, matter, and topic, state of matters. In last class we had discussed about the matter. What are the matter? What is the matter? Everything that we can see in our surroundings, which has some mass and occupies some space, is called matter. Okay, anything in our surroundings which we can see has some mass and occupies some space is called matter. Like this dusters, it has some mass. Here we can find its mass by using any weighing machine, electronic balance machine, grocer balance machine, and it occupies some space. See here, if we keep it here, then it will occupy some space. Clear? Today we will discuss about the states, different states of matter. In which states the matter exists in our surroundings. किस states form matter जो है exist करता है. So there are basically three states in which matter exists. Which one? First, solid. Second, liquid. And third one, gas. Clear? Solid, liquid and gas. Clear? Now, this first step, now we are going to discuss about the first state of matter, solid. That is solid. Solid like this. This one. This is solid. So how we can define this state of matter? The state of matter which have different shape and different volume. Different shape and different volume. Such that it can have any number of free surfaces. Many number of free surfaces is called solid. Okay? The matter or a material which has a different shape and different volume, such as it can have a number of free surfaces. It's called solid. Solid means the particular matter or substance or a material which have different shape and different volume. Like this just now, इसका क्या है? Different shape है. In the shape of rectangular cuboid के shape में है ना ये, and it has also different volume. We can easily find its volume: length, breadth into height. Length, okay, breadth into height. We can easily find its volume, length, width and height. Okay, so a solid, it is a matter which have different shape and different volume, and it also have a number of free surfaces like this: 1 free surface, 2 free surface, 3 free surface, 4, 5 and 6. So this cuboid or a cube has 6 free surfaces. Clear? Okay, so this is solid. This is what? Solid. A material or substance which have different shape and different volume. Clear? Now we discuss about with the points. Different shape, different volume, okay. Third point, we can discuss about this type of matter: any number of free surface. Any number of free surface. Some more points we can easily discuss about this type of matter, solid. It cannot be easily compressed. Like this duster, this is solid. If you want to compress, here apply the force. If you want to compress, no any change produced in the shape of this object, because it is solid. It is solid. So any solid matter or any solid body cannot be easily compressed. cannot be easily compressed. Okay, only it can be heaved. Only it may get heat. Like suppose we will just take a amount of salt or a sugar in a bowl, then turn into the surface, so it gets heat. आप किसी बॉल में शुगर या सॉल्ट लीजिए और उसको टर्न अप कर दीजिए ऑन इट सरफेस पे, तो क्या होगा, एक हीट फॉर्म कर देगा ना. सपोज यू विल टेक ए सॉल्ट और एनी शुगर इन बाउल. ओके, यहाँ पे आप सॉल्ट या शुगर लेंगे और इसको फिर टर्न अप कर देंगे, तो क्या होगा, हीट फॉर्म कर देगा ऐसे. Okay, clear? So this one more property, it cannot easily compressed. It cannot be easily compressed. It gets heat. It gets heat. Clear? Okay. Now, in case of second type of matter, liquid. Liquid, it is a matter which have different shape. A liquid is a matter which have only definite free surface or a liquid which have no definite shape but has a different volume. A liquid which have only different volume, not different shape. A matter or a liquid, types of a matter na, which have only different volume, not different shape. Not different shape. Suppose if we take water in a container na, so suppose we take a water in a container. So the shape of water automatically gain the shape of container. जो वाटर है वो कंटेनर की शेप को कंटेन कर लेगा, उसको गेन कर लेगा. एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इज फिक्स्ड. द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कंटेनर दैट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. जितना कंटेनर का वॉल्यूम होगा उतना ही इसमें वाटर डालेंगे. द सेम एज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. सो दैट्स व्हाई लिक्विड इज ए स्टेट ऑफ मैटर व्हिच हैव ओनली डिफरेंट वॉल्यूम, नॉट डिफरेंट शेप. बिकॉज इन द डिफरेंट shape of container, if you will pour some water, then it will automatically just arrange in that shape. उसी shape में क्या होगा, arrange कर लिया आपने आपको. Okay, automatically उस shape में आ जाएगा. Clear? Now, some more properties we will discuss about the liquid. About the liquids, it can be slightly compressed. Okay, it needs a vessel to contain them. It has only one free surface. First, only different volume, slightly compressed. Slightly compressed, and it has only one free surface. Only one free surface. Clear? So it has only different volume, not different shape. Slightly compressed as compared to solid, it has only one free surface. Some more properties. Liquid always flow from higher to lower. From higher to lower. Always flow from higher to lower. Clear? Okay. So these are the properties on which we decide that the particular matter is liquid. Clear? Now in case of gas, no different shape, neither different volume. Okay? It has neither different shape nor different volume. Because suppose we will take a balloon, okay, and we will inflate it with air now. So balloon automatically occupy the particular space, okay, shape of the balloon and its volume. Balloon and its volume. So gas is third type of state of matter which has neither different shape nor different volume. Okay, it can flow in all directions, neither different shape nor different volume. It can flow in all directions. In all directions. Okay? It can be easily compressed because if we just inflate a balloon with air now, so from all sides we can easily compress so that its two surfaces can be touched to each other. Okay? It can be easily compressed. It can be easily compressed. Okay? It has no free surfaces. Because gases spread in all directions. Gases are spread in all directions. So we can't determine their free surfaces. Clear? Okay? So there are three types of state of matter. Other than these types, two more types already discovered new: plasma and Bose-Einstein. Clear? Now we will discuss about these three types of matters on the basis of their molecule arrangements. You see here. In case of solid, इसमें क्या होता है? The molecules are very tightly packed. बहुत ज्यादा strongly packed. Molecular arrangement. Molecules means what? The smallest part of the matter. Which cannot be subdivided by any means of physical or chemical changes. Okay, so molecules are tightly packed. In case of solid. Why? Because the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong. Intermolecular force of attraction is very strong in this case of solid. What is intermolecular force? The force of attraction between the two molecules. See here. Suppose there are two molecules of a matter or a substance. So the force of attraction between two molecules and intermolecular space is very less. This space very less in case of solid. Intermolecular space is very less. Clear? Like this. Intermolecular space between two molecules. Space between two molecules is very less. But in case of liquid, here in case of molecules are very tightly packed, strongly packed, Okay, they are totally restricted, prohibited. Okay, they cannot move due to the strong intermolecular force and less intermolecular space. In case of liquid, the intermolecular force is weak as compared to solid. As compared to solid, weak as compared to solid. What? Intermolecular force. Intermolecular force and space. Intermolecular space is more as compared to solid. So the molecules in case of liquid is free to move inside the container. Inside the container, not outside. Okay, they can move, they can change their position inside the container. Clear? In case of gas, molecules are loosely, very loosely packed. बहुत दूर इसमें क्या molecules होते हैं, वो बहुत दूर होते हैं, बहुत farthest to each other, farthest to each other, एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर. Okay, means intermolecular force, intermolecular force very weakest, intermolecular force very weak or weakest, सबसे कमजोर, सबसे कम, and space very more, intermolecular space maximum और बहुत ज्यादा होता है, मैक्सिमम मोर स्पेस बहुत ज्यादा होता है, दो मॉलिक्यूल्स की जो स्पेस है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा है. So that's why the molecules in the case of gas are totally free to move anywhere inside the container or outside the container. So that's why we can say that it is easily compressed, very easily compressed. It is slightly compressed and it cannot be compressed. It cannot be compressed. Clear? So this is the molecular arrangement of the molecules in three states of matter. Clear? Okay. Property of three states of matter and molecular arrangement of three states of matter. Okay. So in next class we will discuss about the change of states, how the solid change into the liquid and liquid change into the gas, and also reverse process. Clear? So students, just go through the books. Page is given chapter 1. Okay, and try to understand this all the points. Any doubt you can ask in next class. Thank you students.